everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. Today, I'm going to be guiding you through how to log into your MobyMax account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To log into your MobyMax account, open up a web browser of your choice. In the URL box, type in MobyMax.com and press enter on your keyboard. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in the official web page of MobyMax. Click on the sign in button at the top right hand corner and then select if you'd like to log in as a student, teacher, parent, as a school administrator, or a district administrator. Go ahead and find one of the options and give it a click. Type in your school's name if you've chosen to log in as a student and type in a username associated with your account on the next field, followed by your password. Finally, click the sign in button in order to log into your MobyMax account as a student. Similarly, you can choose if you'd like to log in as a teacher or a parent and type in your credentials in the text boxes and hit sign in to access your account. If you've ever forgot your password while logging in, you can go ahead and click on this forgot your password link and follow through the process till the end. That is how you can easily sign into your MobyMax account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.